हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप? अ वेरी बिग जय हिंद एंड गुड मॉर्निंग टू क्लास 9th स्टूडेंट. Today we are going to see the brief question answers explanation and the back exercise of your English literature. Yesterday we have completed the summary part line to line poem No Man's Are Foreign. And today we will see the question answers. Means today is our question answer segment explanation once again, so that I will give you today the PDF of question answers and you can note down. This chapter is going to come in your unit test of this month, so look carefully, pay attention to the slabs. Okay, so let us begin without wasting any time. First of all, Behar book poem No Man's Are Foreign, open it. We have to see the exercises. Let us begin. English class 9 poem name is, let us search, No Man's Are Foreign. See here, No Man's Are Foreign. Now what is the meaning of foreign? First of all, in our mind, foreign means we all have to live in a brotherhood. It is a moral of this poem, written by James Kirkup. James Kirkup poem. James Kirkup is a poet. 5 stanzas are given that have explained line to line. So today we have to see the question answers. Today is our that it is important. Today is going to see. Now it is a segment that has the question number first. Let us start. Page number 81. All of you open this segment, open it. 81. Let us see the question answers, then PDF will be sent to you. Being at all uniform, what uniform do you think the poet is speaking about? Being at, question number first in front. Being at all uniform, what is the poet? The poet James describe about the uniform of all countries like New Zealand, South Africa, Australia, Zimbabwe, Canada, America. The uniform is different of all the armies men, but the motto, but the morale of the soldiers are common to save and maintain the peace in a country. We all are human beings. We all have same systems. We have same eyes, same ears, same breathing systems. So we should be follow the brotherhood morale. This is our answer number first. No problem, I think so. Second, let us read. How does the poet suggest that all peoples on question second. How does the poet suggest that all peoples on earth are the same? See the stanza, second stanza it is given. Stanza second. They too aware of sun and air and water are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter strife. This is a poem line. I will explain to you in my own language. How does the poet suggest that all peoples on earth are the same? All peoples on the earth are the same because sunlight is required, air is required, water is required to all human beings. We are breathing the same air. So we all are same by nature and we have to follow the peacefulness, humanity, morale, helping hands to world. Question third. In stanza first, find 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. In stanza first stanza he is talking. Remember, no man are strange, no country is foreign. Breather, all humans, a single body, breath like ours. The land our brothers walk upon in earth like this, in which we all shall lie. In stanza first, find 5 ways. 5 ways we have to find. in first stanza. So it is sun, air, water, harvest are the words which are going to arise. Now see the third question. How many common features can you find in stanza second? Common features. So common features here, common features we find. See the question, common, how many common features can you find in stanza second? Stanza second is talking. So in stanza second we have to see aware of sun, air and water, peaceful harvest, their hands are ours and in their lines we read, a labor not different from our own. We are not laborers, we have to do harvesting. Harvest meaning you all know, to cultivate crops, to grow gardening, to grow seeds, agriculture, farming are coming, so we should harvest with our hand. We don't have to see to find that it is a small work, we have to work with our hands and we always be honest in working. Okay, now for it is a general topic question, simple poem. See the last, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, when do we think this happens? Why who tell us should we do as we are told at much times? What does the poet say? See. In this last question, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, we don't have to hate the human beings because we all are humans, we have to follow the certain rules. Here, hate our brothers means we don't have to be greedy. First, we don't have any discrimination. We don't feel jealous of our friends, of our colleagues, of our relatives. We have to maintain the truthful life and honest in nature. If we are honest, we can do the work with sincerity, with devotion. We should be honest. We should don't tell lie. It is just a general question. So we should not hate our brothers. Brotherhood means our neighbors, our colleagues, those who are working. We should help them with generosity, helping hand. All these things we are going to write in this answer. This is a collection of question answers today we have complete. I think there must be no problem. This lesson is come to getting to come in our unit test. Portions I will send you today. So pay attention. We are complete. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a nice day. Complete the class, sir. Today I will give you the question answer after this video. Okay. Have a nice day, students.